everyone, just wanted to show you how the installation of Feevr device is. This is a tripod, as I've explained earlier in the video. You can just open this up like this, lock the device, lock the clamp here, open the clips, keep it to your nose level. As you can see, this is the power bank. I'm connecting the power bank. The clamp to hold the mobile. Perfect. This is to adjust the holder. Keep the device. As you can see, it's perfect. There's a USB-C port cable. I'll put it here to the power bank. Connect it to the mobile. And as you can see, this is how the installation is done. It's ready to activate. Thank you.